Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the world of beauty and bring you honest insights. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to transform your hair care routine without breaking the bank: Pantene's Conditioning Detangler Spray. If you've ever wrestled with dry, tangled hair, or been frustrated by the time it takes to get your hair in shape, then this might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Now, before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. Let's dive in. Pantene's Conditioning Detangler Spray is a lightweight, leave-in conditioner designed to nourish and protect dry, damaged hair. Its unique formula includes antioxidants and Pantene's Pro V complex, which is known for its hydrating and strengthening properties. The product promises to hydrate, detangle, and leave your hair feeling smooth and shiny. It's sulfate-free, which is a major plus if you're looking to keep your strands healthy and free from harsh chemicals. When it comes to texture, the spray is incredibly easy to use. I simply spritzed it onto damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends where my hair tends to tangle the most. It has a light, refreshing fragrance that isn't overpowering, just a subtle, clean scent. As I ran my fingers through my hair, I noticed an immediate difference. The tangles were gone, and my hair felt softer, almost as though it had been conditioned without the heavy buildup. What stood out to me the most was how lightweight the product is. It didn't leave my hair greasy or weighed down, which can sometimes happen with leave-in conditioners. Instead, my hair felt nourished and had a smooth, shiny finish. I also noticed that my hair was less prone to breakage, which is key for me since I've had issues with damaged strands in the past. I could definitely feel the difference in strength after using it consistently for a few days. Of course, no product is perfect. The spray is great for detangling and adding softness, but I found that the shine it provided wasn't as intense as I had hoped. If you're looking for a super glossy finish, this might not be the perfect match. Also, while it helps with breakage, I didn't notice dramatic repair results in terms of overall hair health after just a few uses. For a more intense treatment, you might want to consider a deeper leave-in mask or serum. Now let's talk value for money. The Pantene Conditioning Detangler Spray comes in a 3-pack, with each bottle containing 8.5 phthalates. At this price point, I'd say it's a steal for what it delivers. Pantene's reputation for providing professional quality hair care without the luxury price tag holds true here. For anyone looking to repair and protect their hair on a budget, this is a solid choice. If you're considering other options, there are a few detanglers in a similar price range, but Pantene's formula really stands out in terms of its lightweight, non-greasy texture and the antioxidant-rich ingredients that help protect against damage. Some other brands might offer heavier conditioners or more intense repair treatments, but they often come with a higher price tag or leave your hair feeling weighed down. So, who would benefit from this product? If you have dry, tangled hair that needs some extra care, and you're looking for a product that won't make your hair feel greasy, Pantene's Conditioning Detangler Spray is an excellent choice. It's not a miracle worker for severe damage, but it's a great everyday product to help keep your hair manageable, healthy-looking, and protected. Overall, I'd say this product is a great buy for anyone looking to detangle, hydrate, and protect their hair without spending a fortune. For the price and performance, it's hard to beat. Thank you so much for tuning into this review. If you've tried Pantene's Conditioning Detangler Spray or have any thoughts on other detanglers, drop a comment below and share your experience. And remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description box. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one.